Yo, it's your boy Sway. Come back here, another freaking video. You already know what's going on. Got this ZL1 looking clean, you know what I'm saying? It's chopping. Had to stop in the middle of the street, get this little B-roll video. Do sound nice though, you know what I'm saying? Ugh. That's crazy. But yeah, man, we're about to get a POV video. It's a nice day, like 60. Just about to get a little POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Gotta go to the shop though, honestly, because I gotta get something for my camera. So I'm about to go to the shop. And yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Probably not gonna talk as much. Maybe I will. I don't know. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video though. Gotta watch these potholes though. So many potholes over here. Damn, the last 27 miles, I got 8.9 to the gallon. That's terrible. Sorry though, I be having fun. Oh, it's 4 o'clock, it's like rush hour basically. I can't wait to be on E85. Shit gonna smell so nice. Yeah. People look at me like, what the fuck is on his head? Baby, I'm doing videos, baby. Don't mind me, baby. Don't mind me, baby. Don't mind me, baby. Damn, I should've went in the middle right there. Oh, that's a ZL1. These are ZL1 bumper. Another Camaro. White one. And of course, the police right in front of us. Feels so good outside, bro. This is my boy. I don't think this is him. This is him. This is my boy. I think this is him. Got the 2X. Maybe his mom or something, I don't know. This my motherfucker boy? No, it can't be probably his mom or somebody. Behind us, we can't even have no fun. Caught right behind us. My boy Street. What up, fuck nigga? Yo. I knew that was hell like this on, boy. That's funny. He got a Challenger in, but it's like a V6 body, but he got a Scat engine in that motherfucker. I gotta get over. They ain't gonna let me over. Great ass day though. Come on, little nigga. Fuck you on! What you about to be on? What you about to do? Oh, work? Oh, bro. Alright, yeah. This shit's so fun. You gotta guess, son. I'm so glad I cammed this car, bro, cause like, bro, the cam, bro, I don't know, bro. It's something about the cam, the chopping, bro. It's something about the chopping. Just a manual car, bro. I have so much fun, bro. Like when I was automatic, bro, I was so bored with this goddamn car. I just love having a manual car, bro. It's just so fun. If you get a sports car, just get a manual, I'm telling you. I know they hear me. See what they on. See what these boys on, man. I'm gonna keep recording with the GoPro. While it's on right now, I'm gonna keep recording. Let me just let this window down for a second, cause I don't know where my car keys are at. Never mind. Right here. Let me turn the camera on. Got the look. See, I got the new handle. Just pulled up to the shop though. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Got the GoPro on, just did some look, you know. Let's see who at the. I know you heard me. Yeah. I was just ripping. Just ripping, man. What? How you been today, brother?
Another day, bro.
I got the new handle. Look.
Oh, that's fancy.
Bro, that's crazy, ain't it?
Yeah. That's wild.
Yeah. So nice, bro. Oh, let me get this outro real quick. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video though. That was a good little cruise. Saw my homie with the Scat pack. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video, subscribe. GTR right there. ZL1 right there. The ops right there. It's a good day, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video. And I'm out, man. Peace.